course not.
The man with the big something them and I tell them he never want it.
Sorry, ma'am. Apologize. We're here for the food
And culture.
and the culture. That's a byproduct of the food. Or how do I go? Picture. Okay. Ah, coconut! 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 Where's you getting from? Oh, you okay? You okay? Picture, okay? Yeah. 1 second. Do this. We're looking for the coconut, So you know when you're in Japan too long, coconut with chopstick. You have to adapt to your surroundings, and you have to say adapt, not adapt. 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 Do desu ka? Umasugite ne. Camera. I mean, I'm going to Shibuya right now.
Shibuya,